Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are a moist cake lover like me, this video is for you. This cake is so moist, buttercream cake, best selling recipe that you will love. As a baker, you need to have this recipe. Let me share with you how I made it. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. That is sugar. Then I have flour. Here is my plain milk. I've not turned it to buttermilk. It's a whole milk. Then my buttermilk flavor, vanilla flavor, butter, but I'm using margarine here, baking powder, and eggs. White vinegar. I'm going to be using this white vinegar to get my buttermilk. So I'm going to be listing all the ingredients with their measurement in the description box. So I have 1 cup of whole milk here, so I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. That is how to get your buttermilk. You can as well use lemon juice. So I'll mix it and set it aside. I'm going to be creaming my butter and sugar together until it is fluffy and double in size. I'm going to be scraping it so that everywhere will be mixed. All the butter and sugar will be thoroughly mixed. Continue to mix until it looks fluffy and the color of the butter have changed. And here you can see that it's no more the same color. We are done mixing. It's time to add in the egg. So I'll be cracking in the egg one after the other and mix them together to incorporate very well. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe. Turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. We appreciate you. So it's time to add in the flavor. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of the buttercream flavor. Then I'll add in ½ teaspoon of vanilla. Then I'll mix that together very well before adding in the dry ingredients. So I'll add the baking powder into the flour. Then I'll sieve it in. It's very important to sieve your flour. Always sieve your flour whenever you want to bake. At this point, please make sure your speed is not high. I'll add this my buttermilk. So I'm going to add it in 2 batches. It's time to add in the remaining dry ingredients, which is the flour and the baking powder. I did add salt because I'm using salted butter, so there's no need for salt. But if you are using unsalted butter, you can add ½ teaspoon of salt. That is the last buttermilk. Mix everything together on low speed. So I'll be using my spatula to bring everything together very well. And we are done mixing. It is very easy to make. This recipe is so good. This is going for 6 inches pan, two 6 inches pan. So I've already laid my pan by buttering it and adding in flour to dust it out. This is 2 6 inches pan. I bet you as a baker your customer is going to love this cake, and it's ready to go into the oven. And our cake is out after 40 to 45 minutes. You can see how well baked it is. I would love you to try this cake out and let me know in the comment section. You can see how moist it is. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always being there. Please subscribe, share, and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you all in my next one. Bye.